Invite your clients to TaxDome. Once your clients start using their portal, you can exchange documents, accept payments, and communicate directly there. After setting up your portal and organizing your client information, you're ready to invite them. While you can send invitations during the import process, we recommend waiting until all client information is correct and your workflows are properly configured. To check if your clients have portal access, look at the colored icon in the ID column of your account list. Green means the account is active with at least one user who can log in. Yellow indicates pending activation. The invitation was sent but not yet accepted. Gray means the account is offline and no invitations have been sent. When you're ready to invite clients, apply the Not Activated filter to display accounts that haven't received invitations yet. Select the accounts you want to invite. For this example, we'll select All. Access login settings and enable them for all contacts. Check the box to send invitations. All selected clients will receive an invitation email. To check which clients haven't activated their accounts yet, use the Pending Activation tab. Here you can see when each invitation was initially sent. Select the clients and resend invitations as needed. To check portal access for individual contacts, open the client profile and go to the Info tab. Here you can see if the login checkbox is enabled for each contact. Contacts with pending activation haven't accepted the invitation yet. Invitations can be sent directly from here, and you could also add a personalized message that will appear in the invitation email.